testing audio. Audio, 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 audio. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out the new BH and Daisy Marquez palette. Oh yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Maggie Hardy. How are y'all doing today? So today I'm finally getting to it. We are getting into the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. I have been dying to do this for y'all, and I'm sorry it's so late. I know it launched and everyone had their videos up last week, but you know I was sick. So your girl is now doing it. I did a look with it the other day. I will put a picture up here somewhere for you to check out. As you can see, I did a crazy bright tutorial, which if this is not your kind of thing, then I will definitely have more tutorials up with using this palette. If you've been watching me, you know that I love BH Cosmetics, so I really don't think I have anything bad to say. Spoiler alert. So before we get into the video, real quick, I want to tell y'all, my audio in the last two videos was horrible. I have been messing with my camera settings, so if I seem really bright and like automated, I'm messing with my camera settings to kind of see where and what I want my settings to be. So y'all bear with me as I try to learn this camera and film. I want to get a better quality for y'all. Other than that, without further ado, let's see how I get to this crazy bright look. Okay, so I kind of know what I want to do, but then I kind of don't know what I want to do. So we're just gonna wing it, I guess. That's what we're gonna do. I really want to do like a bright, bold orange and lime green look. Karma, which is the orange shade right here. I played with this palette the other day and it was just so beautiful. I mean, Daisy did the thing on this palette, y'all. Y'all know how I feel about BH, so I really hope that this look turns out how I want it to. What I'm doing is I'm just going to pack this all into my crease. So we're just packing in here this color. It's a really pretty, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, if y'all can see, it is like a bright orange, and then it kind of fades into a little bit of a red. So now I'm going to go in here and lightly just blend this in using very small circular motions. Y'all know that I have crazy wrinkly lids, so I go in here and blend all of this out, and then I'll go above it and I'll start stamping this out so we can get a pretty blend going on. So we're going to go into Flower, which is this bright yellow. It's probably one of the best yellows that I have ever used in my entire life. So I'm going to go in here and stamp this. And the reason we are stamping first is so we can get the color payoff that we want, the pigmentation. A lot of the times yellow on camera can really just disappears. Like, I have no idea how it does that or why it does it. I want this about as pigmented as I can get it. And also, y'all keep in mind, y'all know that I take my shadows all the way up to my brow. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just have major hooded eyes and I want to utilize as much space as I possibly can. Now that I have the pigmentation, I'm going to go in here and just lightly, ever so lightly, blend this out. It pretty much blends for itself. Like, I don't really need to do any blending. It's almost perfect. Alright, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in here and clean this up. And it don't have to be perfect. So now that I've cut the crease, I'm just going to go in here. I'm just going to pat that base in, make sure that it's really patted in to my fine lines, and go here, blend that out. Now that I have that patted out, I'm going to go back in with this orange. Okay, so I'm going to dip into a color that's not in here, which I don't have to. Y'all will see in just a second. But I'm going to dip into this lime green right here in the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is just going to give the pigmentation of the shadow that we're going to put down in just a second and get as close to that cut crease as possible. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm going to go into Slime, which is it's a very neon green shimmer shade. I'm going to need a little bit of Fix Plus for this. So first I'm going to go in with this tiny brush and get this line really precise. Going back in with that orange, I'm going to just blend this out just a little bit more. Hi, Daisy. I see you, Daisy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of liner. So I'm going to actually go in here and trace me out a liner with my concealer. I'm going to go back in with that orange and then just blend this out just a little bit. Okay, yeah, so I am back and we are going to finish up the lower lash line. What lashes these are, I have no idea. I put black in my waterline, driving me up the freaking wall. It took me forever to get them on. Why? I don't know, but we're here. We're done. Lipstick I put on was Ofra lipstick in Verona, and then I just topped it with a clear gloss. To go into the lower lash line, we're going to go into Matter, which is this black right here, just to blend the waterline out, and then we'll go in with Karma and then Flower, which is the orange, and then the yellow. Is there a shadow on my face? Here we go. Okay, so I'll start on the inner corner and then I'll just blend black out. And going in with that orange, I'm going to grab a little bit more, and I really want to like flick this out. And then I'll go in with the yellow just to really blend this out. Okay, for a brow bone and inner corner highlight, we're going to go into Icy, which is the white shimmer shade. Okay, so I'm going to throw on some bottom mascara and then we will wrap this video up. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. What do y'all think? So I know it's crazy and out of the box, but I really wanted to do a neon color. But I just wanted to show that even though the palette has a lot of neutrals in it, you can still do an amazing artistic look. So that's what I was going for today. I am going to be doing more tutorials with this palette, so do not fail. Y'all know how I am about doing BH tutorials. So my final thoughts on the palette, since I have got to play with it a couple of times, this is probably my new favorite palette. I know I say that all the time about palettes, but BH and Daisy, y'all killed this. Like, they blend so easily. The pigmentation is there, and there are so many color combinations that you can do with this. And the packaging, of course, is Daisy's favorite color, which is a kind of like a Tiffany blue aqua color. And it's just amazing how this works. I mean, a vanity, seriously, y'all killed it. Do I recommend this palette? Yes, I do. You can get it on bh.com for, I think it's $24. Like I say, y'all know I stand behind BH and their shadows, especially for the price. They are affordable. They're cruelty free. Look at this. I cannot wait to take pictures, and I really hope that the pictures turn out like I want them to. So you guys, I hope that you liked the tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. You can also please subscribe to my channel if you would like to. Also turn that bell notification on so you know every time that I upload. You can follow me on all my social medias. You guys, I'm on Twitter and Instagram, and I'm really trying to grow my following on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, okay, y'all get over there and y'all go just press that follow button, okay? Hope that y'all have a really, really great, blessed weekend. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'll be doing something. So you guys, I love you, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, y'all.